I'm king of the world! Seriously, though.
But look at that drop.
Just don't
You hear
fall.
those people?
Help me, help me.
Should we help them, do you think? Or should we just stay up
The
here?
water's cold. It's splashing. Can't you hear it splashing?
What are we going to do to not fall in it?
Oh, we're gonna put on these life preservers.
Where'd you get those?
They're electric. I really hope I don't fall in the water.
I'm just going to find a door somewhere when I get in there. I think it'll keep me afloat.
Well, just so we don't drown, I'm gonna close this window. Sorry, sir.
Whoa, did you feel that?
I did now. Ooh, thanks for grabbing me.
You're welcome. I think we should hold on to the bar. I think I'm hearing. Do I hear birds singing?
Huh.
I
Who
didn't
would've
know there
thought?
were birds this high.
No. That was the captain.
They always did say he was
He's
crazy.
he's a kook.
He was entertaining the other night, though, when he was doing that dance.
Yeah. What was it called? The flamingo?
Possibly. I think we're getting closer.
The what?
The cold water.
Oh, right. Is that an iceberg?
Where?
It's hitting the ship.
Oh my goodness!
Okay, it was dynamite. That looks like it. We're sinking. FYI. I'm gonna go tell the captain.
I need to go get my clothes!
The captain knows.
What are we gonna do with our boss? We're gonna.
Breathe! Breathe! Loudly!
Oh my goodness!
I just saved your life.
I just had a bird poop in my mouth. You know, for last meal, it tasted pretty okay.
Last meal, I'm not giving up yet. I'm gonna fight.
That's the spirit. Who are you gonna fight?
The iceberg. It's so
Iceberg,
cold.
you're going down.
Hey, I found a rock somehow on the boat. It's in the middle of nowhere.
Wow, that's cool.
Oh, right.
Oh,
Window.
there's another one.
Let's try it again with this other magic rock. Sorry again, sir. Speak to the left.
I got it from this.
I thought it would have rolled more, but it looks like it's out of steam.
Did it work?
No. You made another
It
hole.
did! The iceberg is breaking!
Great. We still have a hole in the ship.
Right.
The captain's no help. I know. Let's go talk to the band.
The band? Oh, the band! Oh. That's right. Hey, what are we gonna do? The ship is sinking. Do you wanna play?
That's the weirdest tuba I ever saw.